Hello friends, I'm Parikshet from Kids on a Club, and today we're unboxing a bow and arrow. See, this is especially how it looks like. So that it looks like this. Now let's unbox it. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Wow, the arrow is right here. The arrow.
Bow. This is the bow.
Yeah, the bow. How should I hold this?
Come on, let's see the steps. Let's follow this step. We keep it like this.
Okay.
So this is the. See, how is this? How do we hold this? See, over here the holding thing is made. Like this we hold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then.
Where are the arrows?
Wait. Get me the arrow. Turn it around. Get me one of the arrows.
Yeah.
And we put the arrow. Turn it around. Let us see. See the instructions.
Yes.
Yeah. So we keep it like this.
Okay.
This is the arrow holder. Okay. Here this is the arrow shaft.
Yeah.
This is the bow string.
Yes. Wait.
This is the bow string. And we keep it like this. Just a second. Okay. This is. Now wait. Give me a second. Let's move this now.
Okay. There's some arrows over there.
Now we will try it like this. See. Just let's check it out. You try.
But how will I do this?
You need to hold it here. Yes. Hold it like this. Then get it stuck into the bowstring. Then you need to pull this.
Wow!
Yay. Wait. Yeah. Super. Awesome. Oh my god. Try it once again.
Okay. Where should I do that? How did we do that?
Lift it a little. See. Let's show. Hold it like this. Hold it with your hands. Now keep it like this.
Okay.
Get it into the bowstring. Now you can see. Pull it.
Where should I shoot?
Yeah, in the board.
Will it stick?
Yeah. Wow. Now let's do one thing.
In the board, and it will only stick.
Yeah. Let's. Now try it here.
Okay. I'll give
Take
you.
another one.
It's in this. Let's take out all this.
Take out one.
I can't take it out.
Okay, I'll help you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
First hold it. First hold the bow. Like the way I said you. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Now show to your friends what you're trying on that camera. Come back. Come and stand.
I'm going standing on it.
Now use this. Don't touch the bowstring. You need to get it. Yeah. Now pull the bow. Now pull the bow. Don't touch the string. You just need to hold the bow. Wait. Turn this side. You need to hold the bow. Just by these two fingers. Not so much there. Like this with these two fingers. With the thumb and this finger.
I can't.
Leave it. Leave it once. Yeah. Now only hold two fingers. Yes. Now pull it. Go. Yeah. Wow. Take the other one.
Give my phone. Wait.
Yes. Perfect. Keep it on this hold. Yeah. First hold it. Keep it here. Yeah. Now get it stuck. Now pull it. Perfect.
Slay.
Yeah.
Hit that boy.
You have to target that boy. Oh.
I missed that target. This is kind of fun. Okay. Why can't... Wait. Wow!
Not able to?
No.
Give me, I'll try. We hold it like this.
Okay.
We keep the bow like this. And we stick it in the string like this. And with these two fingers,
Okay, let me try.
we like this. And we...
Don't shoot it anywhere.
I'm going to shoot it to your friends.
No.
Let's shoot them. 1, 2, 3.
You missed.
Yay!
You missed it.
So, ask your friends.
So friends, if you loved the unboxing video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more unboxing.
And you can buy this bow and arrow from the link below.
Whoa.
Or from the website as well. They can buy this bow and arrow
On the website.
from kidsfunlearnclub.com.
/.
No, not slash. They can find this on kidsfunlearnclub.com. Yes?
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And do share your bow and arrow photos with us.
Us.
And we will be having surprise gifts for you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.